As part of activity-based teaching, I demonstrated the advantage of displaying new lessons related teaching aids on the wall. Through these activities, students' comprehension skills improved and they were able to identify differences and understand how these concepts apply in real life. For example, by sticking petroleum-based products like face creams, jelly, shoe polish, etc. on the wall, students observed them daily. This helped them recall their real life uses and relate classroom learning to everyday life. For another activity, we attached a shoe to the wall. This helped students observe the grooves on the shoe and understand how they provide grip and strength when walking or running. This effectively helped them grasp the concept of friction in a simple way. Similarly, striking a matchstick against a matchbox was shown to demonstrate how fire is produced due to friction, which the students clearly understand. In another activity, a string was used to connect the two paper cups and was then attached to the wall. This setup reminded students of talking on the phone, helping them easily understand how sound travels through solids. They were able to relate this to the real life transmission of sound through solid materials. Another notable activity involved the solar system. Models of the sun and planets were created and stuck on paper, which was then displayed on the wall. Observing these frequently helped students differentiate between stars and planets, recognize which planets shine, which appear red, which are closer to the sun. They developed a clear understanding of various concepts and began asking more questions, which shows the development of curiosity and critical thinking. In another activity, we stick the mirrors on the wall. Student differentiates between convex and concave mirrors and how they used in real life applications. Thank you one and all.